In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color columns, cells, or values in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. To begin, you'll first need to access your board. So log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific workspace and board you want to customize. This is your canvas where all the magic will happen. Now that you're on your board, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a 3 dots menu, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Conditional Coloring. This is where the fun begins, setting rules to colorize your data based on specific conditions. Once you're in the conditional coloring interface, you'll see a rule builder popping up. Start by picking a color you want to use for your highlight. This could be anything from calming blues to vibrant reds, depending on how you want to visualize your data. Next, you have to choose the target area for your color application. In the first drop-down menu, you'll need to decide if the color should be applied only to the cell that meets your criteria or to the entire row. Selecting the entire row can give a more cohesive look, while just coloring the cell allows for a more detailed focus. With your area selected, it's time to select the column to evaluate. Use the second drop-down menu to choose the specific column you want to monitor. This could be a column with statuses, numbers, dates, or text. Picking the right column is vital, as this is where your conditions will be based. Now comes a crucial step, setting the condition itself. In the third drop-down menu, you will define the logic for your rule. You might want to use options like is not, contains, greater than, or before, depending on what metrics you are viewing. Each condition will help you customize the way your data appears. Once you've set your condition, the last thing you'll need to do is enter the value that triggers the color change. In this field, provide the specific value or label that should activate your rule. For instance, if you're focusing on tasks that are stuck, simply enter that status, or if you're monitoring numbers, enter the specific number that corresponds with your condition. What if you want to get more complex? Well, you can add multiple rules. If you wish to layer different colors, for instance, green for done and red for stuck, simply click on the plus new condition option at the bottom. You can then repeat the process with your new color and conditions, allowing for an enriched visual breakdown of your data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to color columns, cells, or values in Monday.com. By using these steps, you can create a visually organized workspace that helps you and your team quickly interpret your data at a glance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.